Smarthomes Jamaica has done it again. After completely selling out all their units at the Aqueduct of Vineyards, they're now bringing smart living to the Sunshine City. Introducing the Tessera, the newest gated smart home community in St. Catherine. Don't keep this to yourself. Share this video with friends or family who are ready to own a home in Portmore, St. Catherine. And be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the updates, the walkthroughs, and more exciting news about the Tessera. Welcome to another video. So of course, this is a new smart home now in Portmore. So the actual unit has not been built as yet, but it will be the same as the Aqueduct of Vineyard, except for one addition. So let's go on a quick tour down memory lane, and then we'll come back to the virtual walkthrough, as well as price, seller information, and where it's located. Let's go. In just a few months, the actual model unit for the Tessera will be ready for viewing. Of course, I'll be following up. But as I said, it's basically the same house you're getting, except for one addition, which we'll see in just a moment when we take the virtual tour. The houses are on sale right now, but the expected completion is expected to be in the year of 2027. It might seem far away, but 2026 is just around the corner, and then in the quint of an eye, the year is finished, and these houses are ready the following year. Just like we've been over many times before, when you're applying, you're expected to have all the proper documentation. If you're getting loan through NHD, you must have your eligibility letter ready. If you're going through a bank, you must have your pre-approval letter ready. If you're using cash for all the purchase or for part of the purchase, you must have proof of the cash that's in your account. Of course, no business can be done without a proper ID. It must be current dated. If it's expired, go and get it started out and be ready. Your NIS, your TRN card, the usual, must be ready to apply for a house here. It will be a total of 4 phases inside the Tessera. You can check the description for the names of all 4 phases. You can also see the sizes of each unit, the amenities that will be in the gated community. All 4 phases will have a standard 2-bed, 2-bathroom. And that's why this is the house we're showing today, because if you can recall, the Aqueduct of Vineyards had different designs. They have some with 2-bed, 1-bath, but this was a 2-bed, 2-bathroom, which is a replica of what will be at the Tessera. I'll be linking the first video we did in there at the aqueducts, so you can see the major difference when you see the price and when you see the addition that you're getting at Portmore. You can compare and see what is similar versus what will be different. That video will also list some of the smart features in the video versus here, where I'll be putting it all in the description below. So I'll leave you to continue viewing the house, and we'll pick up when we get to the virtual tour for the Portmore unit. Now we're back to the Tessera. Tell me if you can spot what is the one addition that will be in the houses in Portmore that was not in their previously built smart house down in Old Dabo. As you can see below, they are now accepting application. Visit smarthomesjamaica.com to apply so you can buy directly from the developers. And we'll be showing you how to contact them next. Now this is the difference right here, an enclosed washroom. As mentioned before, everything you see now will be just the same as their first development, the one that they had in Old Daba, the Aqueduct of Vineyards. Everything else is the same, but we're gonna walk through the virtual tour anyway by showing the 2 bedrooms and the 2 bathrooms that comes with this unit. You can contact them at 312-2322 or info@smarthomesjamaica.com. But right now we'll be visiting their website, smarthomesjamaica.com, for more information to see what's upcoming, to get the price, the size, and other amenities that will be expected in the development. So now we see the status of all their developments. We'll start from the right. Aqueduct of Vineyards, it's sold out. The second, Bellevue Hills Estate, that's a Fruta project, not yet built. And then now selling is Tessera, which we're looking at right now. The price is $36.95 million. Before we take a look at where in Portmore it will be located, let's define what a smart home is and why it differs from all the other new developments. A smart home generally refers to a house that is Wi-Fi connected and supplied with smart systems that allow homeowners to control just about any electrical appliance or device, such as the lights, TV, fans, security cameras, and more from anywhere on the island. Smart Homes by CEAC takes it one step further by providing features they believe would be a part of any new home being built today, such as solar energy generating system, solar water heater, rainwater harvesting system, backup water storage, and more. In case you still can't figure out the layout from the virtual tour, you can see it has on the right side a bedroom with a closet with a master bath. Then you have the all bath. Then you have the next bedroom, and it has a closet and a linen closet as well. We have a veranda on the other side, an open concept living and dining, open concept kitchen, the washroom, and then we have linen closet inside the washroom. The Tessera is in Bernard Lodge. I'll be circling this right here. So I'll be coming up on this road right here, turning here, and then going down the other section of Bernard Lodge to show you how that's looking now in Portmore. So if you look on the map, you'll see where actually Alright, so the road in front of us is Municipal Boulevard, so we're gonna turn right to continue on to go on it. The Petcom gas station is right here. Over there is up further is Independence City, and to our left are cars coming from, I guess, from Mandela Highway on the Municipal Boulevard. Alright, so we're gonna turn right to go on it. All time now. So it definitely seems as if they're gonna be neighbors of Oak Estates. So the right side, if you're heading into Portmore on the Municipal Boulevard, the right side, you would know it was always green and have bush or vegetation, whatever you choose to call it. But it seems as if it's now gonna be developed. Oak Estates did it. Now Smarthomes of Jamaica are doing it. Now we're approaching the stoplight for Oak Estates. So I'm just gonna go down that road just to get a quick look at the gate of Oak Estates. After all, it will be the neighbor for the smart home. So let's look. These palm trees here the last time we came here. It's looking lovely. Oak Estates. Alright, I'm just gonna continue down to those people over there, those builders, to see who they represent, if they're Oak or if they're the Smart House of Jamaica. So we're back on Municipal Boulevard. Remember I said we're circling, so we come from one side, then we turn right, and then we're gonna make our next right on Bernard Lodge Road. So we're gonna turn right, we're gonna turn on Bernard Lodge Road. That's where Caribbean Estate is, to see what's happening there. For Caribbean Estate, I think they really set the trend for gated communities in Portmore and in St. Catherine in general. Alright, so you see the stretch that Tessera will be on in Portmore. You see its proximity to other well-known gated communities, Caribbean Estate, Oak Estate. It is right there in the Bernard Lodge area. Alright, so you will see when development starts, I guess, and you can look out for another video when I go to tour the actual unit, which of course is the same as the smart home in Vineyards, except that they added a washroom. Okay, so please like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.